Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 14 mind-blowing gadgets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Portable Boot and Shoe Dryer. The Furlim Boot Dryer offers advanced temperature control with 3 modes, hot, warm, and natural air, perfect for all types of footwear. Its 24-hour delay and 99-minute auto-off timer provide convenience, ensuring dry shoes when you need them. The creative telescopic design reaches deep into boots, while the foldable rack fits various footwear. Plus, the built-in ozone deodorizer neutralizes odors, leaving your shoes fresh and dry. Stay comfortable with this versatile and user-friendly dryer. Number 2. Inmotion E20 Electric Unicycle. The Inmotion E20 Electric Unicycle redefines safety and ease with its ANSI/CAN/UL 2272 certification and innovative dual-tire single-wheel design. This setup promotes lateral self-balancing, making it perfect for beginners who can learn in just 3 minutes. Its dynamic self-balancing algorithm ensures front and rear stability, minimizing tipping risks. With a 38% larger tire diameter and inflatable inner tubes, the E20 offers a smoother ride over obstacles. Compact and family-friendly, it's ideal for convenient transport and fun. Number 3. Mechanical Digital Flip Clock. The creative flip clock blends retro charm with bicycle-inspired elements, adding a lively touch to any space. Built with durable, solid materials, this mechanical flip clock ensures long-lasting reliability. Its compact size, 7.87 by 4.72 by 2.74 inches, makes it perfect for the living room, study, kitchen, or office. Crafted from eco-friendly ABS and stainless steel, it features precise quartz movement for accurate timekeeping. An ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions, it's a unique present for loved ones. Number 4. TOMLOV DM202 Max Digital Microscope. This 10.1-inch LCD digital microscope offers a stunning 1080p FHD resolution with 3x 1300x magnification, making it perfect for detailed soldering work. It includes a 32 GB micro SD card, supporting up to 64 GB for ample storage. Powered by a 2000 mAh battery, the microscope is portable and efficient. With dimensions of 7.1 by 5.1 by 20 inches and a weight of 4.7 pounds, it's easy to handle. It's compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10 and Mac OS 10.13 and above, as well as HDMI, providing versatile connectivity. Number 5. Baseus 3000A Car Jump Starter. This high-performance device, free from high-concern chemicals, delivers over 1200 A peak current. Certified with CE, FCC SDS, and MSDS standards, it ensures safety and reliability. Featuring two-way fast charging, it supports USB lighting, cigarette lighter starter warning light, and SOS lighting. Weighing 1527 grams, it's compact yet powerful, ideal for emergency situations and versatile usage. Number 6. DeLUX Wireless Ergonomic Mouse. Experience innovation with the world's first vertical mouse featuring an OLED screen, displaying key parameters like battery capacity, DPI level, and connection mode at a glance. Designed for comfort, it mimics a natural handshake position with a snail bionic structure and includes a magnetic wrist rest. Its 7200 DPI tracking engine reduces fatigue. Connect up to 4 devices using USB-C, 2.4G wireless, or BT 5.0. Navigate with ease using vertical and horizontal scroll wheels. Customize light effects, buttons, macros, and more through the driver for enhanced productivity. Number 7. Portable Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. This foldable keyboard with touchpad features quality aluminum construction with a matte, solid top frame for enhanced durability. Its pocket-sized design, 6.2 by 3.5 by 0.7 inches, 0.48 pounds, makes it as portable as an iPhone with an attached smartphone stand for added convenience. Powered by a large-capacity lithium battery, it fully charged via USB-C in 2 hours, offering up to 30 days of use. The scissor key mechanism ensures responsive, low-profile typing with optimized key travel and anti-slip tapes for comfort and precision. Number 8. Smart Waterproof Fingerprint Lock. The keyless fingerprint padlock with key backup offers smart security with its high-tech fingerprint sensor and auto-recognition feature, eliminating the need for keys or combinations. Set an administrator fingerprint upon receiving the lock to ensure only authorized access. For emergencies, a backup key is included. Built with a sturdy aluminum alloy body and stainless steel lock beam, it provides superior cut resistance and is IP66 weatherproof, guarding against dust and water. Number 9. 70,000 mAh Portable Fast Charging Power Bank. The MoveSpeed 2023 Power Bank with a massive 70,000 mAh capacity can keep your devices charged for 24 days. It provides over 24 full charges for an iPhone 8, 16 for an iPhone 14, and 11 for a Samsung S22. Supporting Android 22.5W fast charging and iPhone PD20W fast charging, it powers up your devices rapidly. With 4 outputs, including USB and Type-C, it charges multiple devices simultaneously, making it perfect for outdoor adventures and emergencies. Number 10. Enabot EBO-X Home Robot. EBO-X is a versatile 3-in-1 smart home robot integrated with GPT-4o Mini, enabling you to explore recipes, discover books, and plan adventures effortlessly. As your smart guardian, EBO-X offers elderly fall alerts, crying and call for help alerts, facial recognition, and more. It features precise navigation, a 4K 8MP security camera with night vision, and Harman customized speakers for premium sound. With AI-driven instant alerts and Alexa built-in, EBO-X ensures security, communication, and entertainment, enhancing family life with smart convenience and fun interactions. Number 11. iLight for mobile phones. The magnetic mobile phone iLight features a built-in magnetic core, making it compatible with MagSafe-enabled smartphones like iPhone 15/14/13/12 Pro Max, Pro Plus Mini. Its strong magnetic force ensures easy installation. This light protects your eyes by reducing strain caused by prolonged screen exposure. The simple touch design allows you to cycle between headlights and taillights and adjust brightness with a long press. With its soft, glare-free light and low color temperature, it provides comfortable screen lighting without reflections. Number 12. Magnetic Phone Camera Grip. The one-hand phone grip design offers ergonomic comfort and stability, reducing shaking when taking photos or videos. With a strong magnetic force of up to 5.1 pounds per 2.3 kilograms, it securely attaches to iPhone 12 to 16 series MagSafe cases or phones with a metal ring. This grip doubles as a stand, allowing easy rotation between portrait and landscape modes for hands-free video calls, TikTok, and movie watching. The magnetic wireless remote pairs with iOS and Android smartphones. Number 13. Cordless Mini Rotary Tool. The Versatility Cordless Rotary Tool Set is a lightweight, portable, and powerful tool with a frosted TPU case and rubber cap designed for comfort and easy handling. Weighing just 0.52 pounds, it's perfect for tasks like carving, sanding, polishing, and cutting, and works great as an engraving pen. The cordless design offers freedom for both indoor and outdoor use, with a built-in motor providing up to 0.9 Nm torque. It features a Type-C charging port with a 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery, offering long-lasting use, and a user-friendly charging base for convenient power-up anytime. Number 14. RENPHO Smart Scale for BOD. The RENPHO Smart Scale seamlessly connects to fitness apps like Samsung Health, Fitbit, and Apple Health, allowing you to track 13 essential body measurements including weight, BMI, and body fat percentage through the RENPHO Health app. With high-precision sensors, It measures in increments of 0.2 pounds, supporting up to 400 pounds, 180 kilograms. The user-friendly app works with Bluetooth 4.0 Plus and Apple Watch, excluding Series 1. Monitor progress, save historical data, and track changes with unlimited users and baby weighing mode for the entire family. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.